How to convert image to Word document. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the best, easiest and perfect way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments. Don't forget to comments below. Okay, so converting image to document, Word document, it is enable it to edit, and you can make the changes on this image content and all. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Okay, the first step is just open your Word app on your computer. Take the blank page, set your margin here. Now we need to go in insert option. Under the insert, go to the picture, and under the picture you can see this option. This you can upload the image from your device from there. Just click on this option, which is this device. Now select that image and insert. Then this image will be inserted like this. Okay, now you need to just go to the file again, file option, and go to the export. Here we need to go and change the file type. Go to the save as, select the location where you want to save. Okay, here we need to select the file type is PDF. Under the tools we need to go in general options. Sorry, okay, go to the option called compress feature and see if this option enabled to you. Just click on it, because it is high definition quality. It will be save this document as a high definition quality. So just click on this option. In my case this is not enabled, so I just keep as it is. Okay, now just rename your file. Save it. Now it will be saved in your device as a PDF document. Now go here, take the new blank page, go to the open file, browse that file which we have just saved. This file name is image2. Image2 Word document. Okay, just open it. Now it will be start converting in editable. Now you can see it is converting now in text, contextual content. You can see you can edit here, you can make changes whatever you want. After you change, just go to the file, go to the save as, browse the location where you want to save. Keep the file type is Word document only, rename it and save it. Now it will be saved as a Word document. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.